How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create a polygon layer in QGIS. Now, this is going to be extremely simple. Basically, first things first, you want to navigate through the layer drop-down menu, click create layer, and then you could select something like the new mesh layer right here. Or you could do something like the new shape file layer. So in my case, I'm going to be selecting this one. Now inside this page, it's really important to select the geometry type. And then you want to select the polygon layer. Now, basically, if you selected the other options, it's going to be the same thing where you just have to select polygon. But once again, in my case, I'm going to select the shapefile right here. Let's select polygon. And of course, let's name this into something like polygon layer. Let's click on OK. And we can see our newly created polygon layer right here. So if you want to make a few adjustments, you could just double click on it. And basically in here, you could adjust your polygon layer the way you want to. And if you want to enable, or if you want to simply toggle on editing, you can just click on the toggle edits. And basically you can now add your polygon the way you want to. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.